Hi moms, welcome! Today I am going to show you how to use a manual non-electric breast pump step by step. This pump is simple, quiet, and easy to use and perfect for everyday comfort and control. This is a manual breast pump, which means it works completely by hand. There are no wires, no batteries, and no noise. You are fully in control of the pressure, which makes it gentle and comfortable for daily use. Now let us quickly look at the main parts. This soft flange fits comfortably around the breast. The handle is used to create suction, and the bottle below safely collects the milk. Every part is easy to hold, clean, and assemble. Before you begin, make sure the pump is clean and properly assembled. Place the flange gently and securely over your breast. Now slowly press the handle to create suction. You do not need to squeeze hard. Gentle and steady pressure works best. Repeat this motion at a comfortable rhythm that feels right for you. Because this pump is manual, you can easily control both the speed and pressure. This gives you more comfort and less stress. If you feel any discomfort, simply slow down or release the handle. A manual breast pump is a great option for moms who want something quiet, portable, and easy to use. It is ideal for home travel or quick pumping sessions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your pumping experience easier and more comfortable.